Hi, thank you for wanting to know more about the Focus Tax Solutions franchise opportunity. We're going to share with you how we overcame the biggest challenge in the financial planning world. What is that challenge? Well, I'm sure you already know. It's bringing in continuous qualified leads, because financial advisors and planners are everywhere. How are you going to stand out from the rest of the crowd? Well, I'd like you to sit back, relax, and let me tell you our story. Let's start from the beginning. Rob Zizzo, the founder of Focus Tax Solutions, was in the U.S. Army from 1988 to 94 as a chief warrant officer and a really cool helicopter pilot. After leaving the Army in 94, he decided to enter the wonderful world of financial advising. And probably like you, he struggled to try to figure out how to get new faces through the door, how to keep his message fresh and new, and continue to grow his revenues. Then he added Focus Tax Solutions to the front end of his process. This was the game changer. Let's take a look at the problem. What is the typical way that financial planners get leads through the door? Well, probably working family, friends, neighbors, starting out, joining a couple networking groups, and running some print ads, and then we burn out. You probably then jump to knocking on doors, some cold calling, and then running a couple seminars here and there to try to get new faces through the door. And if you're like us, we have some good friends in the business. Accountants and lawyers, we try to play nice, but consistent new leads are not a guarantee. Have you ever lost a client to an accountant or CPA who just happened to do financial planning on the side? Well, we've got the solution. That is a dual practice with Focus Tax Solutions on the front end and your financial services company on the back. This creates the holistic, integrated tax preparation and tax planning approach for your new clients. The transition is so easy into a financial planning relationship because they're blown away with the nuggets of information on their tax implications. And the coolest thing regarding this relationship is you keep your clients engaged for a lifetime. Why does this work? Because taxes are simple to promote. You start with your existing clients, letting them know you can now prepare their taxes. We also help you develop new markets. And lastly, you have access to our asset library of all the marketing and advertising pieces you could ever have wanted. We have franchised nationally because we've opened up new markets, which we then need to find a franchise rep for. Conversely, if we find a franchise rep, we will help them open up new markets. We do this by expanding regionally and nationally. Regionally, we utilize our relationships with employers, community credit unions, and our marketing. Nationally, we are part of Connex and the national mega employers. Let me remind you that Rob did it your way for 11 years. So let me show you how Focus Tax Solutions has impacted the business. In 2002, Focus Tax Solutions was created for his existing clients and his first large national employer where he provided on-site tax prep for their employees. And within 3 years, this was the only lead source. In 2012, Rob figured out what worked, and as you can see, the revenues followed. In our world, tax preparation answers all the questions of overcoming lead generation in the financial planning environment. It is our marketing strategy, it is our competitive differentiator, and it does provide continuous annual client engagement. So, are you ready to overcome your biggest challenge? Click the link below to take the next step, find out what it costs up front and how it could look for your business.